Hi everybody. Today I am going to discuss question number 12 from exercise 17b, construction chapter of R.S. Agarwal book. So now I am reading the sum. Construct a right angle triangle, one side of which measures 3.5 cm and the length of whose hypotenuse is 6 cm. So here I have taken 3.5 cm line segment and 6 cm line segment. The bigger line segment also I have taken here. First I will take one side, that is 3.5 centimeter. One side measurement there is given 3.5 centimeter. So that one I will take first here. So this is, I will take measurement by compass. From here I cut it. I am giving here name BC and this is X. Okay, now right angle triangle there is given, that's why right angle, that means 90-degree angle, I will draw first at the point B. So I am drawing. From here, by taking same measurement from here, I cut it. Then from here also I am cutting this one. Then I will join the points. I joined it. After that, hypotenuse is there given, that is 6 centimeter. So hypotenuse means the opposite side of right angle in the right angle triangle. So this is right angle, this is right angle. At the point B, right angle is formed. So its opposite side will be the hypotenuse. That means I am taking this measurement from here. Okay, I have taken. Then from the point C, I will cut it like this. Then what to do? Very simple. We have to join. This point is A. We can give here the name A. Then A and C will be joined. So ABC triangle is formed. Therefore, triangle ABC is right angle triangle in which right angle triangle in which BC equal to 3.5 centimeter then 6 centimeter AC, angle B equal to 90 degree. Now this completed. Now come to question number 13. Construct a right triangle having hypotenuse of length 5.6 centimeter and one of whose acute angles measure 30 degree. So here one side is given, that is 5.6 centimeter, and one angle is given 30 degree. Another one angle we have, because here is telling right triangle, that's why another one triangle angle is 90 degree. So only one side here given. So first that side I have to take. I am taking here. See how it will be. This side I have taken. Giving name here AX. Now 5.6 centimeter side, that measurement I am taking first. Okay, measurement taken. This is AB. Now what to draw? Angle measurement 30 degree has been given. So first we will find out here what will be the another one angle. This is hypotenuse, that means it is the opposite side of right angle in the right triangle. So obviously right angle will be formed here, not here and here right angle will be formed, because it is opposite side of right angle. This is hypotenuse I have drawn here. So right angle will be formed here. We will not draw right angle, 90 degree angle we will not draw. Just other two acute angle we will draw. First we will find out another one angles measurement. Other angle equal to 180 minus one angle is 90 degree, another one angle is 30 degree. 180 minus 120, this is 60 degree. That means here we can draw at the point A 60 degree and at the point B 30 degree, or alternate also we can draw. So first I am drawing 30 degree angle. That means bisect of 60 degree. First I am drawing 60 degree angle at the both point. Angle. So first I am taking this one, 60 degree. At the point B also. I have drawn here. Next 30 degree angle I will draw. So more than half radius I have taken, more than half radius. Now I am drawing. 60 degree, and this is 30 degree. Then you can take measurement its measurement also you can take. It will be 90 degree. I'm giving here name A, B, C. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right triangle in which AB equal to 5.6 centimeter, angle C equal to 90 degree, angle A equal to 30 degree, angle B equal to 60 degree. Here I am taking the measurement of angle C. Is this 90 degree angle? If this is 90 degree angle, then this picture is accurate. We can say that. Yes, this is 90 degree angle. You can see here. So automatically 90 degree angle will be formed here.